Alright, Logan Viator here, and I am going to show you some pretty neat stuff with the teacher side of Moodle. We're just going to head on over back to our home, and as you can see, we have IRED 320 as our available course. Whoa, check that out. You can change the name of topics by clicking this little pin here. Week 3 is going to be Moodle. Press enter and it saves. Let's see, week 4. Week 4 is going to be Google Classroom. Awesome sauce. Alright. Now, if you select the Announcements tab here. Oh, wow. Class canceled. Class canceled on 3/27. Cool. I could stay home and do homework. Now, if you click calendar here, you can look on the calendar to see any upcoming tests or assignments. As you can see, there's a test marked on the 28th. Let's go ahead and add something to the 29th here. PowerPoint due. You can select the time and the date. The course is IRED 320. Show more. You got a little description. PowerPoint presentations are due by 11:55 p.m. There you go. We're just going to go ahead and put without a duration. And we are not going to repeat the event. Select save. Boom. PowerPoint presentations are due. And I do believe that this shows up directly on the class calendar. If you would like to check out grades, you select grades here. You can see the grader report, grade history, the two that are important to students, the overview report, and the user report. If you select private files here, you can upload any kind of file you like, PowerPoint, I'm sure, Word, all that fun stuff, PDFs. Alright, now we're going to go try to create a class real quick. We're going to go to Site Administration, Courses. Under Courses, select Manage Courses and Categories. And on the right side over here, Create New Course. We already have IRED 320, so we're going to go ahead and create Mr. Viator's History 490. Oof, that's a rough one. Oh. Actually, Historical Research Writing Seminar. History 490. That will end, let's see, yes, a year from now. You can write a short little description. Students will do historical research and writing. Boom. And you could upload, I'm guessing, your syllabus or anything that has to do with that. Oh, looks like pictures. Any kind of pictures you can add. Course format. Number of sections. Let's say 8 sections. Hidden sections. Course layout. The appearance. You could force a language if you'd like. We're not going to do that. Some people might not understand the forced language. Number of announcements, you could change that as well. Show students gradebook, show students activity reports, files, tracking groups, tags, all that fun stuff. Save and return. And now we have classes here. And these all go into miscellaneous, I believe, since we not have any other. Let's create a category. Category name, awesome. Classes. 555. Alright, create.